I just let it whoop like the dash band. Pull up in a foreign whoop, put your cutlass in a trash can. She got chains and whips for her splag, man. I got homies that's the whip in that glass for that cash, man.
Alright, good morning guys. We're here today. We are sitting inside of the Chevy Silverado. We just picked up a trailer from U-Haul and we're about to go pick up the Mustang. Take the Mustang to my buddy's house so we can go ahead and get those bongs welded on. Right now, I'm headed back to the house. I just picked up the trailer. Probably can't see it back there because it's on the ground. So just picked that up and about to head off to the house. So when we get back to the house, load up the Mustang and hit the road. See you in a bit. Got the trailer right here. Wish I was towing off that thing right there. Someone come pick it up. I've had like 100 people hit me up about this truck, but nobody's come to look at it yet. And there it is. All right, we're gonna get this thing loaded up.
Do you know what he's doing, guys? Maybe not. Look at him right there. Yeah, that's him.
All right, so we got the Mustang loaded up. You can see it right here. Just had a neighbor come over about 2 streets over. He said pretty bad about me cranking the car up and said that I woke him up at 7 o'clock in the morning, blah, blah, blah. I told him, excuse my French, but told him he doesn't have to be an asshole about it. Came over and asked me, am I selling the car? I said no, and he said, I wish you were. Oh well, you have to deal with it, so whatever. But anyways, like I said, the Mustang is loaded up and we are about to take it to get the exhaust welded up. We're about to hit the road now. Me and my little dude right here. About to hit the road. All right guys, so we are here. We got the car on jack stands right now. Down there, bam. So we're gonna weld the bongs probably like 2 or 3 inches from those 2 stock go-to sensors. When I say we, not me, this guy right here. Eric right here, this is my welder man, because I can't weld, he can. He went to school and everything, so he's going to be doing the welding on this beast right here. Alright, so when we get started with it, I'll let you guys see it. So this is the current situation right now. Got the hose started, but then the drill started dying on us. So we're about to go out and buy a cord drill, because we can't wait that long to have the batteries charge up and everything, and then we're going to get back to it. So I'm going to go to the store and grab another drill and get back to work. Alright, so we got the hose welded. That's our new drill we end up getting. About to make some money.
Hey, bro, can you pass me a torch right here?
This way? Oh, yeah. showed up when all the hard work's done.
Hey, you know that's how
Bro, what are you riding?
Bro, it's that specialized
What are
rip
you
rock,
riding,
man.
bro?
With the coaster brake.
This guy.
Hey, catch me at 140 Lightning Loop right there. I'm out.
All right, dude.
2016 Mustang.
Take it easy, man.
Later, bro.
A little bite. All right, so we all done. We got the wheels, the bongs loaded up right there and right there. Got a wire harness going all up through the top right here, following along here, all through there, and then it goes through a hole. You see where it's at? That black harness right there goes into the cabin and it reads onto the gauge. So that's it. Not too much on this one. Hardest part was welding, and that was it. Just weld the bongs up. We got everything going into the car, and we good now. I do need to tidy up all that wire that I did pull through coming from the actual O2 sensors. Tidy those up and stuff them in this kick panel right here. And we're about to lower the car down and see what our AFRs are. All right, about to do a startup and check out these AFRs. So it's calibrating right there, doing its thing. Take it out of gear. Alright guys, we're back at the house now. We got the Mustang right here in the garage, safe and stored away. The trailer has been taken back, and now we are here and done with this whole process of putting in the AFR gauge. It is a great tool, like I said. If you do have a V8 engine, I highly recommend having it. You did see the AFRs a little bit in the lean side, so we got something in the future that's gonna help out a ton with that. So if you wanna see more, make sure that you like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Make sure you share this video and hit a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. See you in the next one. Peace.
Neighbors are saying way too loud.
That's only in the morning. He supposed to be up cooking breakfast or somebody, and so that's like an alarm clock. Woo woo!